How to replace the steel wire rope with end fitting after 1000 hours of operation. Step 1. Tool preparation. Step 2. Remove the old wire rope. Turn off the power switch. Open the machine head to find the steel wire rope. Loose the pull rope. Unscrew the 2 screws on the steel rope seat of the blade sharpener and pull out the steel wire rope. Remove the rubber sleeve from the bent pipe of the sharpener. Pull the steel wire rope with end fitting up from the lower end. Remove the other rubber sleeve. Use needle nose pliers to hold it. Use a 2mm wrench to unscrew the screw and remove it. Step 3. Install the new steel wire rope. Insert the steel wire rope through the larger hole side of the pull rope end. Tighten the screw. Apply grease to the steel wire rope. Put on the rubber sleeve. The smaller hole should be closer to the pull rope end. Thread the steel wire rope through the wire conduit to the other end. Mount it back into the seat. Ensure the large hole side of the rubber sleeve fits onto the conduit end. Note, the rubber sleeve has large and small holes. Attach the second rubber sleeve. Press down the steel wire rope on the lever. Align the second screw. Cut off the excess part. Attach the terminals to the top and secure the terminals tightly. Ensure the rubber sleeves are properly fitted. Insert the steel wire rope into the steel rope seat of the blade sharpener. Step 4. Adjustment. Adjust the distance between the sharpening belt and the cylinder seat. Maintain a gap of approximately 1 mm between them. Tighten the screws.